Good morning. I have some Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido. I want some for the Fancy Doll President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. And maybe weekend, you know, a big weekend or a big night. Wokrom hade me Saturday in Fono. No nyasem kakra bakra wokrom hade. Na za wofo no telesale Ghana Music Awards no obado. Na odu da membre na ye celebrate nyama bebre. Ye celebrate any music stars no. Na ye celebrate na ntare share na ye celebrate na nyoma papa wokrom hade impo no ye celebrate known faces and hono ma we contribute in diverse ways towards nyom business wokrom hade because nyom business is biggest sport pass my hen wo Ghana hade na na what no za kofenwe ze chipa no bien most popular song of the year and our best artist of the year. The more categories say bien year and kofu enweze chi papa no good news na there can promise so that we catch on no onyai artist of the year. Damara na Damara na most popular song of the year no so oko King Paluta honom ne nyom aseda no medi nyina be ya aseda o wo chema Ghana ha de nyuma wo release ni nyina aronda me nyom no na oye popular pa oye wiki can promise orokwa pro obopoe mu wo fie ha de na menyana tena se kasa kakra twetwe nkomo fa nsem bebre ho broye ikra na kwentu otum wabaji artist of the year sisiara hefa no ozi henroko na za orhwe kondo be yen nyinara no onye makasa wo ho tino mayen kohwe na yamra Mama, congratulations, Kesepa, Artist of the Year. That's very big. Maybe Sade, how long have you wanted this?
From when I started, I always wanted to be at the forefront of what I do. Do I have to speak English or Chi? From time I'm shy, and I'm me at the forefront of Ghana music in T, and then I'm just to say eventually album.
Okay, how many years?
My first hit no 2017, okay, and she said 2025. It's been like about 7 years, almost 8 years.
Maybe Sade, what was in there a win artist of the year? No, about Jen, what's the first thing that crossed your mind about Snowball team?
Manager, manager, and now my overwhelmed. You kind of saying in cheap.
No, when you are jam abroad,
yeah, merso, and now Maya fulfilled as well. And thankful, say eventually, it has come to pass, and for me, in 50 years of even greater heights, Nyama, I will say, we can't in Shasia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but maybe said on the flip side, prepare a speech just in case.
My nursery into your corner kill beat catcher me say or feeling be there me to me win into. And what me true baby on my phone or dons. I'm like, alright, cool.
Okay.
Into your corner me true a little something on the phone. You do her now. Me dinner and I'm kind of aid. At least I had something on my phone.
Okay. Yeah. Into my but how hard have you worked for this? Sacrifices, BB in particular, you feel that this year, we change the game now more. One may win Artist of the Year this year.
Me more intentional. Usually, me should involve me home baby, from the start. But it do baby I mean who there is not a problem to actually amplify what you do and your work, and also remind people that hey, I'm Name and I am the guy. You understand? And also literally amplify your works because it's very important to do that. And then contribute so can't Tilly and other guys also on the ground, Saphobia and about together. Yeah, shout outs to the team. I mean, Kutina me team will be shout outs to Ubia.
Okay. And after winning Artist of the Year, since you're back at the him for new there, which place do you see yourself now? Where does this place
I mean, I'm still 5 star. I'm still King Promise. Minyaji, but also I'm a me. I could do the maybe move forward. At I say me ijuma, mebo ijuma na aboni because you guys have given me the title in here. What me the boy ijuma, what me represent one, and then yeah, my minting, I'm relaxing. Me that kind of person, you know. I'm a me more. I'm to go out there and fight. Yeah.
Okay. And you know, I mean personally, the Biamekade has been long overdue. It been in I've been so excited. But me pede maybe said who there Ghana for Adawudana. Like, do we really yes.
Maybe before na Oham Kakrade, like I didn't get what it was because I believe if anything the work spoke for itself. But until I also started speaking up and also like I said advocating the I had a political campaign. Ekasana, it's me. So for me, I haven't felt underrated because everybody there fans now what I'm show out. Me show no mobile. Me streams now go high and quite echo. Any underration is just basically making sure that it's at the forefront. Into me that I'm also there. So yeah, identify one or two near maybe yeah, but different tactics are.
Okay. Into no, can I identify you as an Afrobeat artist?
Oh yeah, I make Afrobeat music. Me shut that and put myself in just one genre. Yeah, because I'm into to BB, I'm into Afrobeat, I'm into high life. But you know, the main core of my music is Ghanaian high life, hip life, everything that influenced me whilst I was growing up. Not me other foreign elements the touches not on Afrobeats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now maybe it's that question because there's a whole conversation about Afrobeats or high life na rebrand no Nigeria for no yeah. Me sure that's the more commonly be and then knowing the kind of music a lot of Afrobeats into no winning artist of the year in this era. Yes, they argue about whether Afrobeat is Ghanaian or not. No, what does it say for Afrobeat? And Esha, him from the from here.
I mean, me sound no. This is how I put it. Me music influenced by what I grew up on, which is high life and a hip life, and I made the other elements ne count and then they cut across elements now. And you don't have to be from here and sana enjoy me music and what they tell my son sana I vibe. So just putting together the Afrobeat, the like my high life and my hip life, and also adding the English. But you know my origin. You can tell my identity as Ghanaian is what makes my Afrobeat. Inti, if it's to say where we are going to, maybe to me who be a new from Africa to Asia to America to US to Europe, there's more to the trajectory. Africa and because even they can take it and they will be able to me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, me pay the my idea pa. Into no, yeah, had the CCRA enya artist of the year. Who fears me sure as nipa you as a used to. Who fears as a sana? Has it changed? Has your fears changed in any way?
As a man, I choose to be fearless because I don't harbor negativity. Like I feel like in BBI you have to see the positive sides of it. Yes, you're human. One or two things will run in your mind, but like I said earlier, maybe I believe I'm born for this. You know, it's not by mistake or by chance that I'm here. It's just to show that it's been a lot of hard work, consistency, and resilience, and it doesn't stop. This is where we actually a bit change gear now at our cost.
Okay. Into Oyepada Academy, can baby say what's next after a win artist of the year? You be one new global collabo beer, babaye, and they been go into acting. Is there anything?
We'll just literally push, you know, more music, collaborations with Obabado, visuals no be crazy, shows no so, and literally just pushing our music to the rest of the world and not forgetting home because very important there. If you see we have grants at home. Also, that will serve as ammo to take to the world because Mania will be on the back end on one be push him. What else? Chame Fountain, you're crazy.
Who performance no or your Ghana Music Awards when they kobna performance and it was so beautiful. Who came up with the idea? Didn't say you kobna performing.
That's the legend. Say I sampled his song also on my favorite story record. Inti Adena and the Ayada. Me last year Promised Land in December where it was a surprise to be in him though. And he came on, he sang the song, and everyone just went crazy. So I called him, I was like, couple, in there maybe perform more awards, and it will be an honor to have you if you're available. So he to me, ISR Dunibio. And he, anytime I've called him, he showed love. So shout outs to him, for, being one of the legends that didn't gatekeep. If anything, they open up and they try to, help out. And I respect him so much for that. And I just wanted to give you guys, a taste of what we've done before because I knew how beautiful it was. And also just to celebrate him also and the song I saw because it's going to be 20th anniversary this year. So I felt like it was a nice way to come together. He's the guy. He's someone I looked up to as well. So for me, also sharing the stage with him on such a big platform is something that was very... personally, it was special for me.
And it was special for him because we didn't see him coming. That was a good and your performance. This is your performance. And how did it make you feel?
The funny thing, I said it earlier that I've always been a bad boy. I'm good on the stage, but obviously there's sometimes when you have hiccups here and there. The previous ceremony, encore, the way I planned for it to go. So this time, I said, whatever chair on there, I'm in it.
I as a papa. Maybe with the stone boy, I congratulate you. Meaning, I respond because people were asking, why haven't you responded?
Mama answered that. I don't want to. It's not a big deal, Like, I feel like it's literally, I'm still replying to everybody.
Okay. Respond. Okay. Matters. Last say. You in 2014, Oshia in 2024. How about some non-cover action? What's that one thing?
Me in 2014.
Yes.
Oh, I was a child. I don't know. It was like believe. I'm glad you believed in yourself. That's what I tell myself.
But that's Papa Payamisho.
Miss Medasa Payamisho.
Big congratulations to you again.
Thank you so much.
Here Artist of the Year. And can promise congratulations. Kasi pa komo. This year ya kasi time ya besan ya for bimpana this year one besan aji atasa. Until there be a new one no. I will in the etsedo king be king ati. Nyenu queen because this year ya and even last year. As an international papa. You are the baby and you want to make him promise in fight on fan you uncle do honum or push Ghana papa into no your mom was na yenta nature. Ye nam when you were say in the Thursday, mom was more throwbacks. Yeah, but throwback so you could maybe you bejida or your Ghana Music Awards first no now or your Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Vodafone was in the bay telecell the season by TGMA. Now back in the day no matter. Easy this year no make sure that move there will be the boy apart from Kempaluta nominations about no now on you happy with some crown there being no make sure that one go for food but back in the day no go for to why nyama pa into no say make keke margin pa in 2008 Miss Bell chiram the massa one year the nominate number time no na enya artist na kasa no kaka for form into no one kasa would decide what academy fu bia one would decide where research na was one na abaka list no one Miss Bell chiram was na ka ho kra award no one farman what but this already on the TV don't so too much channel pay negative vibes nko into no chiram one year the nominate so mutum ho da ni nyina ka ho na was start say that CCRZ say a artist na say pede baka Ghana Music Awards no nkotenza waranka say be for nomination form na I feel na I consider that botum na a make list na menyo ka say me care pa da mi bi abasin ko papi kojo No, you're happy cry. It's no back in the day, Pocho eating this year, asem. Asem, I'm come you busy in a city and come be a new busy biarano, or you come out where chum. Now, in the throwback in Sinamera fat, my son Mazaba. My interview in a embraces here. No, easy or chill, nominate to another way award there or your papa. It's no papa could do a depression, pa, no comno. After that, now Guru was a chade. Guru, Brawa Gala Music Awards organizers in Saturno because brother, I won't nominate to what tomorrow hit songs back to back, but time no was no now award. Wabo Guru. Into no, you move on. Mr. Easy, make pa ni issue no, what your man was on your gun into do, Nyaza, what's the back home? So, you're interview, in the lake, I say. But let's know where. But Mutu, sorry if you had a mufa patapa, bro, a capa 2018. Now, Osho Quadpa, then one corner the Beji, most popular song of the year. Award now, Kono. The interview,
you're looking very good. What do you call this? Your design? Very, very beautiful design.
Okay,
and you yanka fancy. John, where's your line? So then, Abba.
Oh, it's like.
Tell what then I will.
Alegana for Sana, why and so washing we die. I don't want him say what they say, but what the money pana. A job, which man or so watches what they're what the man. They don't have to take any stupid money, piano or far or be now one fair one for Moby because social insider. Most of the people they are short and say Patapanes what they're what the man. Overshaw what I want them out of crown fancy and I'm out from Philly. But all the same, you know, or better one day or air.
It's no patapa again the video you call viral papa or yes craba also watch no but one day away I'm pampa so the chin what's one day or it's no big ups to you Nati Bongo now on no check camera double time one time about money shout out I don't how we feel tonight cry it's no away from that no record that's no for cringe I say Ebeke time now what first stone boy was stage on major award. Shatter the chairman or congratulate no. Better so in your vibe in them as I saw feed or no do. Giddy was stage walk. Shano so bra. Into no 2019 no and the master me see into me say 2019 no yenya artist of the year because of the incident yenya artist of the year and there in the Vodafone and Ghana Music Awards for Baba catch for him there the meaning pen no win is well I never know the mean simple no wabano wona be nya shata na stone boy back shata the Austin Derby na no no on join the bill won ko won enyim oba from nso a onye sikasam into no ban ni over yeah but onala no so long join oba friend on sa onye sikasam business is business on bezagwa into no aha na meze Ahosepe no meze besi hono obo mo OPD Richmond nyame hwe ho nyinara da mara na camera Thomas o hade na tibongo onso o hade nyame hwe papa post Moses na Michael air sound woba Kofi Ampedu head of productions me salute no Mark Weber director papa into no more so do nyame adoma yesa na yeshia